Did you know you can engrave a baseball? I'm going to show you how because these things can be very profitable. I'm Ashley and this is Chip Build, so let's jump into it. Okay, so I have 3D printed a little jig here, and this will just hold the baseball nice and steady. And then we need to get this in focus, so we're going to overlap these two dots. Now with them overlapping like that, that's completely in focus, but I want to defocus it slightly. And so I'm going to have the dots just right next to each other. So we're here in the Creative Space xTool software, and this is a little graphic I made, and I want to engrave it on this baseball. So I'm going to click it, and I'm going to hit framing. And then that's going to give us an outline of our design, and that's looking pretty good. But if you don't want the box, you can also do the outline view, and that's going to show each of the individual pieces of the design, and that's looking great. For this, we're going to use the blue light with 100 power, 400 speed, 2 passes, and 300 line per centimeter, because I want it to be nice and crisp. So now we can stop framing, and we can hit process, and it's going to take almost 1.5 minutes, and then we can hit start. And now this is done, and that looks super amazing. And it doesn't even need any cleanup, so this is really cool. The possibilities with this are endless. These would make great gifts to give to people with, like, for birthday party favors, or if they're on their school's team and you can put their name and number on there. But it's super cool. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something throughout this process. Let me know down below what you learned, or if you have any questions about any of the materials we used or how we did this process. And let me know if this is something that you want to give a try. As always, I'll have everything that we used listed down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya!